All right, so when someone's arrested for DUI, how public is their case going to be? Will work and family and friends all find out?
You know, that's a good question, and that's changed recently. What's been going on is in some counties, not all counties, an agency will get hold of um, your arrest information, and they will actually put that online. So that's something that I often tell my new clients is this may be online. I'll look it up for them. They can look it up themselves, and the agency will usually charge them money to take it down. That's how they make money.
Huh.
It's a scam. It's a ripoff. Um, they claim that it's a service to inform the public as to what's going on out there. But that is one way that people can find out. So if someone Googles you, or a potential employer Googles you, or someone you're going into a contract with does, they might see that. But do friends and family find out? There is one way that the family does find out about these things. So you live with your parents, or you don't want your roommates or whoever to find out about this. For a lot of arrests, lawyers will send out what's called jail mail, and they'll send that out, and you'll get anywhere from 10 to 20, 30, 40 letters over the next week or two from lawyers offering to represent you. So not only does anybody who gets the mail over those few weeks see these letters coming in big magazines, but your letter carrier, your postal delivery person is going to know. And
Oh.
people who work at the post office are going to know. So it can't be made very public.
Huh.
Yeah.
What about work? I mean, do people ever get fired if work finds out, and if what can they do if that happens?
Well, yeah. I mean, it depends on your job. I mean, if you fly a plane for a living, if you work for an airlines, and you get a DUI arrest, your job is in jeopardy. You're probably going to lose your job. Other areas, if you're a doctor or a nurse, or you have a job that a therapist, if there's a governing board, they can get wind of these. In some, you're supposed to self-report, and it could put your job in jeopardy. For a lot of people, they may have to do some additional counseling. Some may lose their job for a while. But for most people, it's not going to mean they lose their job. But you need to get a good lawyer who can fight your case to get the best result, and also try and save your license with DMV, or minimize the length of your driving suspension, which is something that a really good DUI lawyer can do, where a lot of others don't know how to do it, don't have the knowledge of how DMV works with these things, and know the hearing officers well, and know the supervisors and the clerical staff at DMV,
Okay.
where they they can minimize that length of suspension or suspension in a number of cases.